everyone. I just want to greet happy birthday to Ate Owner Chinita. Good health, more birthday to ka. Mag-ingat ka palagi. My name is Ashley from PESL. Thank you and God bless.
Hello po, no? Good morning sa lahat. Happy birthday sa ating owner. Wish you more birthdays to come. Stay humble at mabait. Stay maganda. Especially, no? So, stay healthy, owner. Wish ko sa'yo, sana makita mo na yung forever mo. Kahit ako hindi na. Happy birthday, owner. God bless you po.
Ayun, Beb. Happy 34th birthday. Diba? Yun. Ano ba? Uy. My wish for you. May God bless you all the time and forever. And then, what else? Be happy always. Be grateful. And then, don't take the things for granted. You know what is the best for you. Diba? We're here in Imo for 4 years. We've been friends in Imo for 4 years since 2022. With Pulani, Hana, I think and I hope so. No matter what, diba? We are still here at your back. So just enjoy your life here in Imo. God bless always. Thank you.
Hey, I love you.
I want you to know I love you the most. I'll always be there right by your side. Pasay ke besalan, lekong so skidi, 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 skidi.
Sabi niya,
All the way, baby.
come on. Si Oli ay aking sinamarin, pero siya'y bitin pa rin, siya'y bitin pa rin. Gusto niyang lagyan ng magaling para aking lasapin, aking lasapin.
Fly low, go drift, we spin fast, night parade. Basement dream, I on my blade. Sky turn black, but I can make it blaze. Fly low, go drift, we spin fast, night parade.